Hi everyone. So for my new app, I chose Pocket, which essentially is a website that collects a bunch of different articles. And as you read and save articles, they will then give you more articles similar to that they think you would enjoy based on their algorithm. So just on the home screen, there are a bunch of articles here, just new articles or popular ones. Then you can go down to editor's picks, right? Then they have an opportunity here for once I just made my account, so I don't have any saved yet. But once you start to like things and interact with different articles, they will have a list here specifically for you. There's a discover section here, collections, they even have videos. You can search for certain tags if you have a specific topic that you want to read about. And if you go to the Discover section, they'll have popular ones. You can choose topics here. So if we go to education, those will come up. This is really helpful to get students interested in reading and finding articles that they want to read more about. And then they will be provided with even more of those interesting articles and topics for them. So if they're into professional cheerleading, they can go to this collection. It's free to make an account. They do have paid versions. I haven't come across any feature that I have been unable to use so far with the free version, but I can definitely see this being a beneficial app in the classroom if we have extra time or silent reading, that students can easily find something that they're interested in looking at instead of becoming bored of an article that a teacher chooses for them.